Hello people, I wanted to show you how I will make beautiful quads in Blender. I found a beautiful tool which will speed up this process, because the thing is, I imported a beautiful plant for my scene, because you can import free models when you install add-on. Add-on is called SketchUp Importer, and I will not talk at the moment about it, but I will show you maybe next video, because you can import free plants and even import photorealistic trees. I would like to have more time to show you this, but in this video tutorial I wanted to show you how to clean up mesh quickly, and I found a beautiful tool to do that. Object, hide unselected. In edit mode, I will select everything. There is option in mesh, clean up. I didn't know this tool does the job. Limited dissolve. But when you change max angle, you can receive this beautiful result. Wonderful. This is wonderful. More than beautiful tool. I didn't know how beautiful this works. You can see how beautiful this got rid of edges. I can even do bevel quickly. You can see I don't have any points. And I'm very pleased with this tool, because I can still edit this beautiful polygon. I hope you like my video tutorial. In next video I will show you how I will be able to import my plants. Because I will show you my model. This is my house, my church, the German church. Of course, I will have to decrease render. I got renders of the scene as well, but I will render the balcony with plant. At the moment, I wanted to save some time, but I can show you a couple of my projects. When I render the scene, it will be even more beautiful. Imagine if I render the scene with plants and other beautiful trees. This will be more than beautiful, and also depth of field. I applied. If you focus on one specific tree plant, this will look even more beautiful. See you guys, have a nice day.